within the shortest time possible. Number two, we have discussed the issue of membership to this particular committee constitution. As you very well know, there were objections raised by both sides, with IGÜRU raising an objection to the inclusion of Honorable ANDÄKI as a member of the committee. The Kekwanza side also had an objection to the inclusion of Honorable David Singh as a member of the committee. Last time we met, we agreed that these particular issues would engage these principles so that we discuss exactly what it is we have to do the two objections. We confirm we engage the principle of the Kwanza side, and it is instructions to ask, wow, please go and get what exact issues are. Then once you agree yourselves, the issues are settled. If you do not agree, we can look at what those issues are and why you cannot agree. We confirm that today we have settled the issues, so we have made progress. Because the issues against Honorable Keinan were raised, we have discussed that in extenso. The issues against Honorable David Singh were also raised. We have also discussed that in extenso. Unfortunately, we have not been able to agree on how to proceed to process those particular objections. And we've, on the part of Kenya Kwanza, agreed that we require further consultations with the principals, with the coalitions, so that we are able to move forward. However, both sides have agreed on the options we have, and those options are three. We wish to communicate the three options to you as follows. We can go for a win-win situation in these talks, which means no side loses. And the only way that can happen is for the two core principles or the coalitions themselves to withdraw the objections. If that happens, it means Honorable Keinan and Honorable Singh continue to sit in these particular talks. It's a win-win for everybody, no side loses, and that will be comfortable for the country. We may as well agree where all of us lose, the lose-lose situation, in which case no side wins, no side does anything. The two members are withdrawn by the core principles or by the coalitions, and they stop sitting in with an option for replacement or with no option of replacement, because the numbers will remain constant. The only third option we have is for the honorable members themselves to solve such, sit down and examine themselves, and make voluntary resignations. If that happens, again, the situation is solved, the problem is actually brought out of the way, and the core principles or the coalitions will choose whether to nominate new persons or to leave the numbers as they are. So, how do we proceed from here? We have made a proposal to our colleagues on the other side that, number one, the two co-chairs can actually meet the core principles and all their representatives in the coalitions, so that we can brief them exactly on what issues were raised on each member and why we came up with the three options we have enumerated to you. Therefore, as we take an adjournment today, it is open to Honorable Otiende Amolo, the co-chair of the Azimio Coalition, and myself to meet His Excellency the President, William Samoei Ruto, as an appointing authority, and also meet the former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, as a core principal and appointing authority so that we can give them a report. And once this is done, including if they opt to exercise the options we have given, we can actually report to the country the progress we have made by this Friday, the 29th of April, 2023. And finally, may we reiterate on the part of Kenya Kwanza Coalition that the Kenya Kwanza Coalition is totally committed to these talks. We have come here with open hearts, open hands, and utmost good faith to discuss and agree on how to solve the issues that affect our country today as we speak. Those issues have not been brought before the committee, but we are aware of them from the press, from the papers, and from the written communications we have received from the various sides. We commit ourselves 100% to ensure that these talks are carried through until the country realizes the benefit of the talks, so that we all live harmoniously, the problems possibly are solved, and we have faith in our country as we have always